Hello, Australian business people. It's a video dedicated to Australia, and it's my channel. My name is Iskender Shashev. By this QR, you can find my channel and subscribe. And by second link, you could find me in the LinkedIn if you're interested about who am I. Maybe, who knows. So let me tell you about the topic today. I think it's a very interesting topic because I saw in the trends in Australia that Australia interested in the development of IoT, Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a growing technology trend that has the potential to revolutionize the way of live and work. Australia is no exception and has been actively embracing to IoT technologies in various sectors, including agriculture, healthcare, transportation, and smart cities. And little disclaimer, of course, about the all opinions in this video, because it's my own opinions. It's not the official positions of organizations I'm presenting. And a sponsor of my video, of course, it's my company, Sharshev and Partners. We're working in the Kyrgyz Republic. They're making the business plans, feasibility studies, etc. The Internet of Things is a network of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other and exchange data. This technology has the potential to transform a range of industries, from agriculture and healthcare to transportation and manufacturing. And for the connection between Australia and Kyrgyz Republic, there are several factors to consider, I can say, because these two countries have no any links in the IoT. Firstly, both of countries have been investing in IoT technologies in recent years. In Australia, the government has launched several initiatives to promote the development of IoT, including the creation of a national IoT network and a 30 million funding program for IoT projects. Kyrgyz Republic has also been exploring the potential of IoT, particularly in the areas of smart cities and agriculture. Secondly, there are already some examples of IoT collaboration between the two countries. For instance, in 2018, Australian tech company Ageris partnered with the Kyrgyz National Agrarian University to develop a robotic platform for precision agriculture. The platform uses IoT sensors to collect data on soil conditions, moisture levels, and other factors that can be crop growth. For current time, no information about what's happening with project. I will check. Finally, there are some challenges to overcome when it comes to IoT collaboration between Australia and Kyrgyz Republic. One issue is the difference in technological infrastructure between the two countries. While Australia has a well-developed digital infrastructure, including high-speed internet and 5G networks, Kyrgyz Republic is still in the process of expanding its technological capabilities. This can make it difficult to implement IoT projects that require a high level of connectivity. If you see the map, Kyrgyz Republic, similar with African and South American countries, and Australia, of course, in the front. According to the United Nations Comtrade database, on international trade, Australia imported goods worth US around 93.3 thousands from Kyrgyzstan in 2022 and exported goods worth around 3.1 million to Kyrgyzstan in the same year. The Australian government provides statistical fact sheet on its relationship with developing countries and regions, including aid, trade, investment, tourism, and labor movements. World Data offers a concise tabular overview of numerous data from respective country pages for Australia and Kyrgyzstan. According to the website of International Trade Center, ITC, the trade statistics between Kyrgyzstan and Australia in 2020 and 2021 are follows next figures. In 2020, Kyrgyzstan exports to Australia goods to, oh my god, $8,000, and Kyrgyzstan imports from Australia goods in $170,000. In 2021, Kyrgyzstan exports to Australia goods for again $8,000, and Kyrgyzstan imported from Australia goods around the $343,000 American dollars. And if we will explore the data of Comtrade, for example, the data shows us that the highest exports from Australia to Kyrgyzstan was in 2020. In 2020, it could be around $1 million. So if we will see what's exported, what Australia imports from Kyrgyzstan, for example, we see that it's not so big data. Minerals, fuels, distillation products, medicinal EGB preparations, woods, and wood charcoal, animal, vegetable fats, and oil, etc. You can make that pause and see. The amounts is making a strong impression, so small amounts. But in fact, the trade between so far countries, it is. So Australia imports from Kyrgyzstan, highest figure we can see in 2019, less than $500,000. And again, you can stop video and see what exports Australia to Kyrgyzstan. It's machinery, nuclear reactors, boilers, etc. And for example, in 2022, the something like the $1.5 million highest rate, and etc. with the smallest rate. So in summary, while there are opportunities to riot collaboration between Australia and Kyrgyz Republic, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. However, as both countries continue to invest in IoT technologies, it's likely that we will see more partnerships and collaborations in this area in the future. If you see in Australia, the business people using Amblic, Demandware, Hybris, Magneto, Unknown, IBM, WebSphere, Commerce, etc. And in Kyrgyz Republic also very popular systems is Lalafo, Amazon, Wildberries, eBay, AliExpress. So it looks like the no linkage between the systems, between the e-commerce platforms in Australia and Kyrgyzstan. Maybe we can find small linkage with AliExpress and eBay and Amazon, but it needs to be studied. So for preparation of this video, I used these links. Please use these links if you're interested in the these topics deeper. And it was interesting invention for me. I hope for you so. So the sponsor of this video, my company Sharshev and Partners. If you need a business plan, link in the sources of video and make the order to this one. If you're interested in Kyrgyz Republic, what is a country and what's the people living here, I can suggest you a little bit ethnographic book I wrote by myself. I am author. It's a meaning of Kyrgyz, meaning for Kyrgyzstan. And by this QR code, you can find it in Amazon. And if you have a Kindle, it's free. If you will download this book and read, of course, it will be good support to my channel. Thank you and see you in next videos.